So hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and in this one I'm going to show you these Arka seeds which I fetched from Bangalore, and these are Arka Rakshak F1. These are unique kind of genetically modified seeds wherein if you are, let's say, a farmer whose income rather I'd say has a second income of making of selling vegetables, I think this is the product for you. This is a product for you mainly because of the several advantage it has. It is absolutely first public triple disease resistant tomato F1 hybrid in India. It yields I planted these, let me show you. So I planted these, if I'm not wrong, let me see the date. Yes, there's a date. I hope you can see. Yeah, so it's on the 7th of October that I planted these, and you can have a look how quickly they've grown. And there is this cute little covering of the seed on the first set of leaves. Anyway, so I'm going to replant these because I think it's been a little too long. I should have done that yesterday or day before yesterday, because they've simply outgrown their capacity of being in this small tiny plastic pot, which is filled with coco peat, by the way. So this one single, now this is funny, this little tiny frail sort of a stem which you look at can yield up to 18 kgs of tomatoes. So if you are actually growing several of these on your terrace, you can end up selling these at a pretty decent price in the market, because if you are able to yield, let's say, 18 kgs per plant, let's say per pot, that is kind of pretty amazing. If you have a big huge large family, even that is something it's gonna be helpful for you. So I'm going to replant these, as I said earlier. So the other advantage is that it can give you profits of about 4 to 5 lakhs per acre of land, which are claimed, as I had a talk with those officials out there in the Horticulture Institute in Bangalore. So not just claimed, but that is mentioned out there in the on their website as well, that you can end up making an amount of 4 to 5 lakhs per acre, depending obviously on the season in which you've planted these. And then you've got to have these precision farming techniques that have to go into getting that sort of a yield, but it's not impossible. 18 kgs, even if you're doing it on a big large terrace of yours, you can end up selling it to the local market in your area. So I'm going to experiment with these, and I'm going to let you know how the result turns out to be, and then probably you can think about ordering it from us. So this one pack is just for 199 rupees. Anybody living in Delhi, NCR, Delhi, Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, Faridabad, you guys can order from us. Let us know in the comment section and we'll get in touch with you. So just imagine your yield every time the plant matures in about these 60 to 90 days time period. Just imagine you're getting from every plant about 18 kilos. That's huge quantity. If you have like 10-20 plants, you can end up having a side income out of such kind of products. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and please try to support the Utopian Garden by, of course, your likes and subscription. Thank you. I'll catch you up in the next video. Take care. God bless.